Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert multi-document icon in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show multi-document icon. Now going to the insert one option. Now for click. Then select from the drawing option. Now click for a shape option. Now click for shape, then click for a multi-document in the follow chart. Now for click, then create a multi-document. That is. Now change from the color and borrow it. Now click for the save and close option. That is. Then I show. Insert multi-document icon in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for